Hello everyone, this is Ashish Kumar from Stock Bazaar. We approach the end of 2024. I want to take a moment to reflect on this remarkable year in the markets and some insight of the year ahead. So, market overview 2024 has been nothing short of eventful for investors. The year started with cautious optimism as market navigated a complex macroeconomic environment. Geopolitical developments, persistent inflationary pressures, and fluctuating interest rate decisions influence market sentiment throughout the year. Despite the challenges, the certain sectors stood out. Renewable energy and AI-led technology sector gained significant traction, driven by global efforts towards sustainability and innovation. Meanwhile, the financial services sectors weathered the storm of interest rate fluctuations and emerged stronger towards the year's end. On the other hand, traditional industries like oil and gas experienced volatility, reflecting the shifting energy dynamics and investor sentiments. Overall, 2024 showcased the resilience of the markets and the importance of the strategic data-driven investment decisions. Performance and strategies at a Stock Bazaar's 2024 was a year of innovation and progress, marked by the launch of two new small cases, first derivative diversified basket and sector rebounds undervalued opportunity. The sector rebound undervalued opportunities small cases are strategically designed to capitalize on sector rotation by identifying undervalued sectors in the current market. This approach focuses on sectors which are undervalued at the current time, like media, housing finance, and financial services, delivering consistent results aligning with our commitment to long-term growth and immediate value creation. On the other hand, the derivative diversified basket is a one of kind portfolio that invests in up to 10 undervalued high quality stocks listed in the derivative segments. This small case cases to investors looking for the leverage opportunities and option traders aiming to sell options against their position or hedge during periods of uncertainty. These strategies are only showcase our forward-thinking approach but also highlighted our focus on creating portfolios that cater to diverse investors needed while navigating the complexities of the market. 2025 outlook. Looking ahead to 2025, we anticipate another dynamic year for the market. Key sectors like renewable energy, financial services, and technology are expected to lead the way as global economics continue emphasis sustainability and innovation. The energy transmission will remain a central theme with the green hydrogen, solar, and EV related stocks drawing significant attention. Similarly, the financial sector is poised for growth backed by robust credit demand and improved earning visibility. While opportunities abound, we remain cautious about macroeconomic risks like inflationary pressures and geopolitical tensions. Diversification and a focus on fundamentally strong business will be crucial in navigating these uncertainties. As we plan for 2025, our team is committed to identifying new opportunities and refining strategies to deliver the best possible outcome for our clients. So, thank you for your continued trust and support throughout 2024. It has been a privilege to help you achieve your financial goals, and we look forward to an even more successfully journey in the year ahead. Wishing you and your loved one a happy, prosperous, and rewarding 2025. Stay invested and stay focused. Let's grow together. Thank you.